day, Ma'am, Sir. I am Sunshine R. NAVEA from Liliw, Laguna, a teacher applicant in elementary level at Liliw Central Elementary School, Liliw, Laguna. Today, I will be showing you my teaching demonstration. My subject is Mathematics 4, and my topic is all about kinds of fraction. Allow me to show you my semi-detailed lesson plan. Good morning, students! I am Teacher Sunshine, your teacher for today. How are you today? Truly, you should be grateful because we will learn together. Excited to learn? Yes, it's nice to hear that you are excited to learn today. Before anything else, everybody please stand up for our prayer. Now, be seated, class. May I call Rose for the class attendance today? Wow! Congratulations, class! No one is absent. Keep yourself motivated to learn. Before we start our lesson for today, you should follow our rules. Always consider these things. First, put gadget in silent mode. Only use it when you were asked. Second, have focus on the lesson. Be focused your mind on our discussion. Third, raise your hand for the clarification on the lesson or question. Okay? And last, always observe the minimum health protocols for COVID-19. Always wear face mask, face shield, observe social distancing, always sanitize and disinfect your hands with the use of alcohol or hand sanitizer. Am I clear? Okay, it's nice to hear that. Now, we will have a short review on our last topic we discussed. Can you still remember our topic last time? Okay, what was the last topic we have discussed? Anyone from the class? Yes, Jamaica. Very good. Our last topic we have discussed last time is all about fraction. So, how can you define a fraction? To help you to answer that, I have here jumbled words. All you need to do is arrange these words. Anybody from the class wants to arrange this? Yes, Jed. You're right. Let's give him a round of applause. So the answer is, fraction is a part of a whole. Can you give an example of fraction? Please raise your hands who wants to answer. Yes, Maria. You're right. It seems you understand what fraction was. You are ready for the next lesson. Before we proceed our lesson, I want to know your feelings today. So, are you feeling happy? Then I will make you happy too. I have here 3 bars of chocolates. I will give some part of it to you because sharing is caring. Now, class, I want you to make guess for you to have an idea about our next topic. I have here random fraction. Then you have to arrange it in correct sequence. So you are going to arrange it into increasing order. Each fraction has indicated letter. So this activity is called number sequel. Any volunteer from the class? Which number comes first? Yes, Jan. Good job. You got the exact sequence of this fraction. What does the meaning or what does the missing words behind this number sequel? Kinds of fraction. So our topic for today is all about kinds of fraction. By the end of the lesson, all learners are expected to first identify proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fraction from given set of fraction, including those denominators of 10 and 100. How about second one? Please read. Okay, very good. The second one is construct example of each kind of fraction. Then lastly, appreciate kinds of fraction in everyday life. Are we clear in our objective today? Alright. Let's have first our activity today. This activity will called Fill Me Out. Before anything else, I want you to group into 4 groups. The first row would be the group 1, the second row would be the group 2, and the third row will be the group 3. Then lastly, group 4 from row 4. Each group will receive an envelope. It contains the materials needed, a table that you need to fill out, and a guide question that you need to answer. When you are done answering this activity, select 2 presenter to present the group work. All members should participate. This activity will take 10 minutes only. To have your points in this activity, here is our rubric. So time is start now. Time's up. Please present your work on the board. Okay, congratulations. Everybody got the correct answer. You answered correctly all the questions with neat, organized data. Then each group show engagement and cooperation. To understand more about kinds of fraction, let's analyze what you did in your activity. How can you easily identify the different kinds of fraction? From the activity, how did you compare numerator to denominator? If a fraction and a number combine, what do you call on it? Let's discuss about kinds of fraction. The 3 common fraction we will discuss are proper fraction, improper fraction, then mixed fraction. So first, let's define what proper fraction is. Who among you have an idea about proper fraction? None? Okay, who wants to read what is proper fraction all about? Yes, Joanne? Kindly read. Okay, thank you. You've clearly defined what proper fraction is. Can you give an example of proper fraction? Yes, Monica. Very good. Correct. Next kind of fraction is improper fraction. Please read the writings on the board. June. Okay, thank you. Everybody, please read what improper fraction is. Very good, class. You are a good reader. Then to know your understanding about improper fraction, can you share your own example of improper fraction? Any volunteer on the class? Yes, Ken. Very good example, Ken. Since you already know the two fraction, let's move on to the third one, okay? Listen very carefully, class. Mixed fraction contains a whole number and a fraction. Example, 1 and 3/4. Can you repeat what this mixed fraction was? Yes, Joanna. Okay, very good. You got it right. Can you give an example of mixed fraction? Yes, Hannah. Very good. Since you already know about the three common fractions, I have here another activity. Have you seen a domino? I have here a domino. I want you to write the fraction for each domino represents. Then identify the appropriate fraction for it, or the different kinds of fraction we use in each domino. Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Number 2? Number 3? And number 4? Very good, class. You all understand our lesson for today. Ready for the last group activity for today. Setup group is the same as recent activity. Each group will able to use the given set of numbers to construct the indicated kind of fraction and give at least 2 examples in 5 minutes. So the task should be done in just 5 minutes. Okay? So the criteria for this is depend on the accuracy of your answer and the organization of your answer and working with others to show member engagement on each group. So here's your rubric. Time starts now. Time's up. Let us now check your activity. So here's the suggested correct answer on the screen. All the group are amazing. Now, let's test if each one of you class learned from our discussion. So this is an individual activity. I have here a questionnaire. You are just going to write P if the given fraction is fraction, and write I if it is improper fraction. Then write M if it's mixed fraction. So in this activity, you will have only 3 minutes. So you should finish the quiz in just 3 minutes. Time starts now. Time's up. For the check-in, kindly check your own paper. So here's the correct answer. Who got 5 points? Wow! You all got the correct answer, class. Congratulations! No one is left behind. Read the problem and write it on your notebook. Am I clear, class? Do you have question? Any clarification? Any violent reaction? If none, that's all for today, class. And that's my demonstration teaching. Mom, sir, thank you, and God bless.